Hi everyone, here's my course so far. So I'm working on Sphero Robotics in Elementary Education, and I basically have my homepage kind of started. Um, I've got a few assignments in here planned. It starts with like an introduce yourself module and then a Kahoot syllabus quiz. I've got the basics of Sphero Robotics and some awesome STEM activities. I still need to publish that particular one. I've got discussions and some more basic stuff down here. So far, what I really need to do is do some more development as far as my assignments are going to go. This particular course is for teachers to get more hands-on time and be less intimidated by working with little robots in the classroom. The fun thing about these particular robots is you can use them in a variety of ways. I would like to see them used in writing lessons, and I think it would also be interesting to use them like with literature. If the kids are reading about chariots, use these to develop chariots. So that's kind of my plan with this course, is just to get teachers more comfortable using technology in the classroom. I do have a syllabus in here, but I'm not super happy with the way it's developed, so I think I really need to go in and work on that some. There's classes here. As you can see, there's a course schedule that kind of works through week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So I've got a lot of the stuff planned, but I need to get a lot more resources in here and links to resources and how to use different resources. This particular course is planned to be like a mixed delivery type course where it's online and in person. But after last semester, with a lot of the stuff we did in other classes, I think that I could probably do completely online delivery for folks as well. But if I go that route, there's a lot more development that needs to be done. My plan as far as teaching it is being taught to adults. So I really would like to use a lot of the methodology that we learn as teachers. But I think the main thing here will just be to make sure that I'm teaching to the teachers and finding out how they learn best and using that to help guide my thoughts there. I also really, like I said, just need to get in and work a little bit harder on making this accessible and adaptable, especially over the semester and then over the summer as well. Other than that, I'm open to any suggestions. So if you see anything that you think I could work on, please let me know. I hope everyone has a great semester. Thanks. Bye.